Hi, this is Jan from JIVOCHAT. Today I would like to show you how to install JIVOCHAT on your website. This will only take a minute and it will help you talk to your customers in real time. Let's start. First, log into the JIVOCHAT application. On the left menu, you will see the Manage section. Go to your channels, find your website settings, then click on Installation. If you have a webmaster that is managing your website, you can send them the instructions with an email. If you're using a content management system like WordPress, Wix, or any other, you can click on these logos to see the step-by-step installation guides we prepared for you. If you're using a custom HTML website, all you have to do is copy this shortcode and paste it in your website source code right before the closing head tag. That's it, you're ready to talk to your customers. This is how the widget will look like on your website. And this is how your dialogues will look like in the JIVOCHAT application. If you have any questions, you can contact us on our webpage, either with a chat or a callback. We would love to help. We hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Until next time.